coming down here now to the water, the stream. We're actually up at the top of the falls, it appears here. Kind of thought we were going to be down at the bottom of it, but we'll have to make our way down and check that. Check that out, that's pretty cool. Jane down there getting a good picture. So this stream goes down, winds around, and the falls are just over on the other side of that knoll there. And we'll head there in a minute. Zoom in there. Icicles. Very cool, very cool. Alright, so we come over the knoll there and down over the hill. And there's a little bit of the falls there, but that's not the big one. That's not what we're looking for. Jane's down ahead of me here. She is leading the way at the moment. Oh, there's a swing. It's all wet though, of course. It's been raining here. There it is. Beauty. Greg, can we get out in the middle of that maybe? I haven't got rubber boots on, but I do have hiking boots on. Now if I'm careful, get over here, down in here and get a better look. There we go. I don't know how high that is. I would have to say at least 20 feet. Wow. All right, well that's the fall, folks. Hope you enjoyed it and our little explore here. And we're gonna get out of here. Say goodbye, Jane.
Say goodbye, Jane.
Later, folks.